This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ashley Boyd. Open house Saturday, June 4, 2022 from 1 to 3 p.m., weather permitting. Picture perfect farmhouse in the parade of homes winning community, Oakland Park. Located just footsteps to parks, trails, water views, the resort-style pool and clubhouse, stunning sunsets, playgrounds, and more. The floor plan is unique and a rarity to the community, featuring 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, an office, 8 doors, front and rear patio, covered breezeway to the garage, fenced yard, room for 3 cars, 2-car garage plus parking pad, and a paver patio ready to soak up some outdoor entertainment. The kitchen was designed with quartz counters, subway tile backsplash, a walk-in pantry, and stainless appliances including a cooktop, vented hood, built-in oven and microwave, refrigerator, and dishwasher. This beauty was enhanced with custom lighting, shiplap accent walls, an electric fireplace, and wood floors, which extend along the staircase and upstairs hallway. Spacious living with an open floor plan makes it easy for social gatherings. Downstairs you'll find a bedroom, full bath, office, and laundry room with upper cabinets. The downstairs bedroom could be used for guests or as a playroom for the little ones. Venture upstairs to view the master suite, 2 additional bedrooms, and 3rd bath. The master suite includes a walk-in closet, dual sinks, quartz counters, shower, and linen closet. The baths were tastefully designed with the homeowner in mind. Step outside to enjoy the backyard for your weekend fun. The covered breezeway keeps you dry from those Florida showers and provides shade to your entertainment space. In the cooler months, start up a fire and invite your neighbors. Previously voted #1 community to live in by Orlando Style magazine. Access the 22-mile-long West Orange Trail for outdoor exercising or cruise on your golf cart into infamous downtown historic Winter Garden, where you'll find shops, restaurants, outdoor dining, a brewery, and so much more. A dream come true neighborhood. The community is golf cart approved and features parks, playgrounds, 2 pools, clubhouse, and spectacular sunset views. Located near interstate travel, theme parks, and golf. Capture this Winter Garden farmhouse gem today. For more information, review the details below or contact Ashley Boyd at 321-209-5540.